Stop. Don't add another hashtag until you watch this. The Instagram algorithm just had a major update last month, and I caught something bizarre. Posts with fewer hashtags are getting 3x more reach. Here's what's really happening. Instagram just rolled out their AI-powered hashtag detection system, and I've cracked the code. Check this out. My post from last month, 47 views with 30 hashtags. Same photo, reposted with just 7 strategic hashtags.
Bruh.
14,000 views in 2 hours, and Instagram actually featured it. Quick reality check. If you're doing any of these 3 things, you're in trouble. Number 1, using more than 15 hashtags. Number 2, using hashtags ending in follow or like. Number 3, copying hashtags from top posts. Drop an X in the comments if you're guilty. Let me share the exact method that's working right now. I call it the trend method. First, the golden ratio, 15-7-3. 15 niche-specific hashtags, like food photography tips, instead of just food photography. 7 medium-sized hashtags between 100K and 500K posts. 3 smaller hashtags under 50K posts. Here's the timing hack. First set of hashtags with your post, wait 24 minutes, add second set. Remove underperformers after 2 hours. For relevancy boost, match your caption keywords to hashtags, align with your account category, keep 30% of hashtags consistent across similar posts. And this isn't just working for me. Look at these results. Travel. Jake went from 300 to 12K reach overnight. Foodie Sarah got featured on the Explore page. Photo Mike got picked up by Instagram's Spotlight feature. Quick bonus tips. Best posting times. 6 to 7 a.m. and 8 to 9 p.m. in your followers. Time zones. Pro research hack. Use Instagram's suggested hashtags in private browsing. Quick win. Create a hashtag group for each content pillar. You've got a 2-week window before everyone catches on. There are 3 types of people watching this. Those sticking to old methods, those implementing this now, and those saving for later. Which are you? Drop a 1, 2, or 3 below. Next week, 10x your Reels reach with Instagram's new AI feature. Hit subscribe and the bell. Thanks for watching.